Hi, I'm Siham Elmway and I'm the head designer of MEO Collective. I used to alter vintage clothing and sell them at a local market here in Adelaide, and then that led me to meet Melanie Flintoft, and I started as the assistant designer, and 6 years on I'm now the head designer. My advice to anyone starting out in the fashion industry would definitely be build lots of relationships, get out there, start talking to people, take people out for coffees, just really get that interaction and ask as many questions as you can. It's that, information from other people that will help you start out, start interning, get your head and your foot in the door as well. So it's just definitely that hands-on experience, something that I did straight away. We did work experience, so even though some of it may be paid, not paid, just that experience is definitely so important.